दोस्तों आज के इस लेसन में मैं आपको सिखाने वाली हूँ 50 डेली यूज सेंटेंसेस। इन फ़िक्रात को हमारे साथ सीखते हुए आप अपनी प्रोनाउंसिएशन और एसेंट को बहुत अच्छी तरह से इम्प्रूव कर पाएंगे, पर शर्त यह है कि आप हमारे पीछे पीछे रिपीट कीजिए, प्रैक्टिस कीजिए और साथ साथ बोलिए, तभी आप इन फ़िक्रात से अपनी इंग्लिश बेहतर बना पाएंगे। दोस्तों हमारे साथ यूं ही आसानी उर्दू से इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक का बटन ज़रूर प्रेस कर लीजिए। तो चलिए दोस्तों अपनी आज की इस वीडियो का हम कर लेते हैं आगाज़। 50 डेली यूज सेंटेंसेस। It's the 3rd of October. It's the 3rd of October. I can't think of his name. I can't think of his name. I'm busy at the moment. I'm busy at the moment. He is fond of swimming. He is fond of swimming. How about a cup of tea? How about a cup of tea? I want a piece of candy. I want a piece of candy. I don't like any of them. I don't like any of them. The sky is full of stars. The sky is full of stars. Beware of the dogs. Beware of the dogs. I'm afraid of bears. I'm afraid of bears. He got a lot of money. He got a lot of money. Go and see who it is. Go and see who it is. Don't drink and drive. Don't drink and drive. He can read and write. He can read and write. I tried again and again. I tried again and again. Tom and I are friends. Tom and I are friends. Please sit here and wait. Please sit here and wait. Speak slowly and clearly. Speak slowly and clearly. He likes bread and butter. He likes bread and butter. You and I are the same age. You and I are the same age. So दोस्तों, this is it for today. We will be talking then experience. Take care. Bye for now.